I wanted to talk about, get your thoughts on, how are some of these enhancements and advancements in AI and omnichannel strategies transforming how e-commerce is done? And can you maybe share some examples of how these technologies are being implemented?
Yes, I think there are the traditional ways that you would think about. So we actually partnered and did a survey with Retail Dive around kind of what's changing in 2024. And one of the things that we heard is about 59% of the retailers are already using AI for things like inventory management and forecasting and demand planning. We also see that there is a high use of chatbots, for example, in customer service. So about 57% of retailers are using chatbots or some type of automated AI to support that customer experience journey. I think what's really interesting is hearing more about the evolution of those, right? So in inventory management, AI used to really just be machine learning that was looking back 3 months, 6 months, and thinking about what the future was going to hold based on those historical trends. Now we can consume so much more data that we can be more predictive down to this specific promotion drove this type of behavior and modeled forward what does that look like. So I think those advancements will continue to allow us to get a little bit better, because if we can better forecast consumer demand, that takes us all the way back into the supply chain where we're deciding what products to offer and what customers will want and how we get those sourced into them on time. So that's, I think, a great evolution that we saw. Some of the newer areas that I think are just starting to get more traction are around offering that more personalized experience. So as you're on the web store, we've always had algorithms that try to direct your journey, but they can become even more informed because they're learning off of a vast number of customers' behavior. And those recommendations can be much more specific. It used to be when I worked at a brand, we would say, if you bought this item, you would also buy this item. That was because we knew that those things typically sold together in our web store and our customer. Well, now we know our customers better, so we can actually say this item could be adjacent for you as well. I think the other thing that we're really thinking about, particularly in the 3PL space, is how we can use this to even drive more employee engagement. So we're beginning a pilot with using AI to get real-time feedback about how we can make our associate experience better, how we can improve how we service our clients in our building. So I'm really excited about the possibilities to be able to harness more information and be more responsive to our people and our clients, typical with what retailers are doing with their customers as well.